All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today. We're trying out a new microphone setup. I now have the Rode Wireless Go system, so we're gonna see how that works, how the sound comes through, if it's too loud or if it's too one way or the other. On my camera, I'm showing right now that I'm only showing a right side audio, so I gotta look into that if that's actually a thing. So headphone users, I apologize right now if you're only getting audio on one side, but hopefully that's not the case. Unfortunately, I can't find out until I try and test it out, so that's what we're doing today. But we're gonna go ahead and installing our batteries. Again, shout out to Eric. Thank you so much for letting me use your battery charger. We finally have the other battery for the LB7 charged up. That thing has been dead for a while on the side of my driveway, and now today I'm excited to get the batteries in it and get it started because it hasn't started since, geez, December, first week of December, maybe even, no, before that even, so November. So it's been what, November, December, January. Almost 5 months since that LB7 has been fired up. I will say the nice thing about this setup, supposedly, and again I'm testing it, is that no matter where I am in the video, the audio is not going to change. But again, that's all going to depend on the quality of this microphone and the quality of what we got going on. All right, so it's a very simple process. We've got this right here, which holds the battery down. That is going to be a 13 millimeter that goes down right in here. So we're gonna go ahead and get the battery in, get that on. And then we have a brace, the fender brace, that goes over here. Here and then over here. These are both going to be 10 millimeters. All right, and then we're gonna take the next battery, put that up in over here. Gotta love being short. There we go. Curious to see if you can hear all my heavy breathing now. My goodness. Oh, I hate snow. Then 8 millimeter. I'm really excited, you guys. I've been wanting to get this damn thing put together for a while. All right. All right, got the keys. Let's see this bad boy fires up. I got prime too, so we don't gotta worry about that. But I gotta see if this thing's gonna fire up. Come on, I'm so sick of this. I don't want to replace batteries. Son of a bitch. There just isn't anything there. Oh man. Junk. Junk, 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 junk. Son of a. Well, batteries are shot. And that sucks because you guys know that these batteries are not cheap. So I delayed the inevitable. I thought I could get away with just charging them. They're junk. Well, I can tell you right now, you guys, this is not the kind of video I wanted to make for you. I wanted to make LB7 hasn't started in 5 months and purred like a kitten. It's not the scenario, unfortunately. So, gotta get new batteries. These ones are from O'Reilly's. I bought them last year, which really pisses me off. I don't have the receipt anymore. I'm just hoping I can take them back there and they can get me new ones. Maybe. I don't know how that all works. I've never really had new batteries die on me like this and just not been able to recover. All my connections good. I got fuel prime. They're just done. So maybe I'll just bite the bullet and go to Interstates, because I think Interstate's like the best battery you can buy. I've had awesome luck with Interstates, so I'm sorry. This is not the video I was hoping to make for you guys. A little depressed, not gonna lie, I'm a little sad. I'm a little defeated, not gonna lie. Kind of sucks, but it is what it is. It's just batteries. Once I get the batteries going on this thing, it'll be nice to get it back on the road. It has been nice because I parked it when it was running, but then I haven't driven it all winter, so it is rust free. So it's nice that I haven't driven it all winter at all. I probably would get it going and probably still wouldn't even take it out on the road. But not the video I wanted to make. So I will say this, like I said earlier, I deeply apologize for this video. This is not how I wanted it to go. I really wanted to get that LB7 going. I apologize for all the snow. There's nothing I can do about the snow. It really put a wrinkle in my plans for what I was gonna do for content. So I don't know if I'll be able to get another video up this week. I planned to get the LB7 going and doing something else with the LB7, but now I've got to go ahead and invest in some batteries, so there's $400 freaking, if not more. So, like I said, I apologize. Shout out to Eric for letting me lend the battery charger. That ultimately didn't work. The battery charger worked great, but the actual batteries themselves, they're kaput. And it sucks because those batteries are a pain in the ass to take out of these trucks, especially when you're short. I'm only 5'8", so when you have a lifted truck like that, they're kind of a pain to get out. So again, I apologize. I hope the microphone worked out for you guys. I'm curious to see in the editing side of things how this microphone works, because I do edit with headphones. So if it only did one side of left and right, I'm going to have to figure that out. I may have to just scratch it entirely and return it. I'm not 100% sure. So we'll see from there. We'll go from there. You probably didn't enjoy this video, I'm not gonna lie. So thanks for watching. Have yourselves a great night, great day, great afternoon, great morning, whenever you're watching this video. And we'll see you in the next one.